Data Science Book Reviews. Book review on the title, Deep Learning Using Python. Authors, Dr. S. Lovely Rose, Driver Ashok Kumar and Amp. Dr. D. Karthikeyanaka. Edition, first edition Act 2019, reprint Act 2020. Publisher, VAI. This book covers the basic concepts of neural networks, convolution neural networks, recurrent neural networks, autoencoder, restricted Boltzmann machine, frameworks of deep learning. Few case studies of DL applications are also included. This book is good read for beginners to start with deep learning. This book contains of 7 chapters. The first chapter introduces working of neural networks, perceptron and multilayered perceptron. This chapter is starting point to get to understand the important concepts such as activation functions, optimization, loss functions, learning rate, gradient descent algorithms, backpropagation algorithm, weight regulation, etc. Chapter 2 is about the building blocks of convolutional neural networks, different architectures and applications of CNN. Chapter 3 is devoted to recurrent neural networks. Chapters 4, 5, 6 are introductory of autoencoder, RBM and frameworks of deep learning respectively. Last chapter, Applications of Deep Learning, comprises of 5 case studies of CNN and RNNs. Complete code of each of these case studies is printed in this chapter. Every important concept of case study is explained with separate section of codes. It is very difficult for the beginners to understand mathematical terms like Jacobian matrix. Majority mathematical expressions mentioned throughout this book are not explained well, hence it is not understandable unless you have much stronger skills in mathematics.